Hey everyone, today we have the LG K4 to unbox. This is a carrier prepaid phone, and I purchased it mainly to take on a trip with me. Now we're going to take a look at the back, which says prepaid, top up use. Nothing much about the phone at all. The side, same thing. Up front we have the little Android logo, showing that it uses Android. It's touchscreen, 5 megapixel, Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth, and it includes the SIM card. Cool. It's stating the obvious pretty much, but it's there. Now we're just gonna peel this backing right here. This is the weirdest way to unbox a phone ever. Let's see how we peel this up. Okay. Now we slide it out. So here's the phone, the K4. Put that aside for a second. Let's see what's underneath. There you go. You have the battery, which is, let's see how big is that? I can't tell. Would have been smart to take it out of the package first. Okay, now let's take a look. This is, I am not sure. Like, I see a 1544 right there, but I'm not too sure if that's milliamp or not. Anyways, put that aside. Charging cable. Charging brick. And manual. Quick start. Yeah. Okay, and yes, it does come with a SIM card. I brought one in case, so we won't be using that one. We will be using this one right here. Okay, now here comes the K4. At the back, it has some kind of texture to it, but it is plastic. Front, no screen protector or nothing to peel apart. That's a shame. Okay, but we are gonna open it up. Put the battery in and try to start it up. Okay. Let's just put the SIM card in there anyways, just to make sure. Which way does it go? Okay. Cool, let's try start it up now. Power button on the right side. Pressing it right now. And it's starting up, cool. The rocker is on the left side. Bottom, you have the micro USB and the microphone with the 3.5 millimeter headset jack. At the back, you have, what does it say here? A 5 megapixel shooter at the back, and you have an LED. Let's set it down there and let it finish booting up. Okay, we are just about done here. Android is starting. Finishing boot. Alright, and we are on the setup screen. Mobile network. Let's try to skip that. Skip. What do we do here? Skip. 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 Next. Okay, and we're in. So it seems to be running some kind of skin, and I am guessing it is running on Android 5.0, but let's take a look. Oh, actually, it looks something much older. Where is about? There you go. Yeah, so it is running on 5.1.1 with some kind of skin, which I am not too sure of right now. But yeah, this is an overall look of at the K4.